Struggling to download your photos from OneDrive? In 30 seconds, you will know exactly how to save any picture or video to your device. First, we are going to open the Photos tab inside OneDrive. Then, we will select the file you want. And finally, we will hit that download button. Let us go step by step. All right, let us start. You're already looking at your OneDrive screen, probably seeing all your folders and files. What we need to do first is narrow things down. Instead of searching through every single folder, we are going to use a shortcut. Look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You will see a few different options there, like My Files, Shared, and Groups. What you need to find is the one that says Photos. Go ahead and click on that. Now, here is why this is so helpful. OneDrive automatically sorts all your images and videos into this view. It pulls them from every folder you have, so you do not have to dig around. It is a single place for all your media. Some people miss this and end up clicking through 10 different folders trying to find that one photo from last summer. So using the Photos tab saves you a ton of time. And actually, this guide comes from Eliezer Panira over on Double.so, which is a platform built for these exact step-by-step walkthroughs. So you know this process is tested and reliable. Once you click Photos, the screen changes. Now you see a grid of all your images and videos. It looks a lot like the gallery on your phone. So now, the next part is simple. Find the picture or the video that you want to save to your device. It could be a screenshot, a family photo, a clip from a vacation. Just scroll through until you spot it. And then, click on it once. You do not need to double-click or hold anything down. Just one single click on the thumbnail. When you do that, the file opens up in a larger preview. Now you are seeing it clearly on your screen. This is the moment where you want to double-check that this is the right file. If it is not, just click the back arrow or press the Escape key on your keyboard to go back to the grid. But if this is the one, we are ready for the third and final step. Look at the top of the screen. You will see a toolbar with several icons. There is a Share button, there is a Delete button, and there is one that looks like a downward-pointing arrow with a line under it. That is the Download button. It's usually the second or third icon from the left, right up in the top bar. Go ahead and click that Download button. Now, your browser is going to take over. Depending on your settings, a small file might appear at the bottom of your browser window, or a dialog box might pop up asking you where you want to save it. Either way, the download has started. For a single picture, this usually finishes in just a second or two. For a longer video, it might take a bit more time to process, especially if your internet is a little slow. Just let it run its course. And that is it. You are done. The file is now sitting there on your device, ready to share with friends, move to another folder, or just keep offline so you can look at it anytime you want without needing an internet connection. So, to recap really quickly, you open the Photos tab to find everything in one place. You click the specific picture or video you want. And then you hit that Download button in the top toolbar. It is honestly that fast. Now you can grab any photo or video from your OneDrive gallery with total confidence. Thanks for sticking with me, and happy downloading!